Welcome to HVS Technologies. In this video, we are giving IR sensor with Raspberry Pi object detection project. Now we can see how to interference IR sensor with Raspberry Pi. Now we can see here we are connected HDMI port to desktop by using Raspberry Pi, and we are giving 5 volts to the Raspberry Pi supply, and we are connected IR sensor, and we are using dongle to operate keyboard and mouse. Now click on the file manager application. Now we can see here IRPY. Now right click to this application and click wait for the code. So we can see here the code has come. Import RPI GPIO. GPIO means general purpose of input and output. Now we are giving GPIO. Import time means it is a library in Raspberry Pi where we can set delay to the code by using this import time, and we can see a setup in GP10 BCM. Now we are setup mode GPIO, general purpose of input and output, and BCM means board controllers, and we are using IR sensor pin number 26 to the board of the controller. Now we will see the pin diagrams of the Raspberry Pi. Now click the. So we can see here this one is the board number and this one is the physical number for the Raspberry Pi. Now we are giving 26 pin of the Raspberry Pi. So we can see here we are connected GPIO 26 pin of the board number. And this one is the setup for the IR sensor pin. In this one is the input. While true means the code will execute continuously. Now we can see here if the print IR sensor is not triggered. When the IR sensor is not detected, then it will show as not triggered. When else, so we can see here else. We are using print IR sensor is triggered. When it is triggered means the IR sensor is detected, or when the IR sensor is detects the objects, then it will sense as triggered. So we can set here time sleep means 100 milliseconds. So here we can see it will trigger. IR sensor is triggered and IR sensor is not triggered. It will print continuously here. So we are running the code. Now we can see here IR sensor is triggered. So here one LED light, and when the object is placed to the IR sensor, then we can see IR sensor is triggered. When I remove the hand, the IR sensor is not triggered. We can see in terminal also the same thing. So click on the terminal. So click enter. So we can see here IR sensor is not triggered. When I am placing my hand, here also we can see IR sensor is triggered. In this way the IR sensor and Raspberry Pi interfacing connection will work. Thanks for watching.